There is some uncertainty tonight about whether international students can stay and study in the U.S. under the current administration.
UCF Global has sent out information to its students regarding student visas that are being terminated. WESH News' Gail Pascal-Brown is live on the UCF campus tonight to tell us what is happening and what students really need to know right now, Gail.
Absolutely. Now, we don't know specifically how many international students are affected here on the UCF campus, but what we do know is that their visas and their SEVIS records are being terminated. SEVIS stands for Student Exchange Visa Information System, Visitor Information System, I should say. Now, this is what is used by Homeland Security to track and monitor non-immigrant students. UCF Global is a hub of international students, faculty, and staff on the University of Central Florida campus. It has received federal notifications regarding the termination of an unknown number of student visas and records by the federal government.
But it's very frightening for students to get a letter like this or any notification because they've invested a lot of time, a lot of money to come to this country to study. And at the drop of a hat, they could lose that benefit.
Wayne Golding of the Golding Law Group is an immigration and criminal attorney in Orlando. He says if a student gets such a notification,
the first thing you need to do is make sure the information you're getting is credible. For example, if you get a letter from the immigration authorities addressing your status, first thing you need to do probably is meet with an immigration attorney to really examine what they're telling you.
He says the government, at its discretion, can terminate your student status for whatever reason it chooses to. He also adds there are often options to get student visas reinstated, but it's a process.
And it's not a process that I encourage a student to try and complete on their own. They should talk to their advisors at school. They have a whole section in the school that advises on international students.
UCF Global advises if international students have received a letter, then contact UCF Global immediately. Schedule a one-on-one appointment with an international advisor.
My first instinct, and maybe it's just me, would be to leave. That's not a good idea, is it?
It's not. You should explore your options because if you leave, you might have cut off any form of appeals or any form of relief that you might have had.
UCF Global says do not make sudden travel or withdrawal decisions without speaking with a designated school official. Now, UCF Global has set up some lunch and learn sessions next week to help these international students with any questions they have or to update them on their immigration status. These meetings are in person or you can have them virtually. Covering Orange County live on the UCF campus, I'm Gail Pascal-Brown, WESH 2 News.